In this video, we are transferring this photo to this blank sheet of paper using this grid. Okay, so the paper that I use is the Bristol Smooth. This is a 14 by 17 inch. The grid. This is made from a sheet that's called acetate. So I went and I bought a big sheet. I measured 8 by 10. And then I did 1/4 inch squares. So this is where the 8 by 10 fits on my 8 by 10 photo. And it usually comes out to, I believe, 20 by 16. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep, 16 by 20. So now what I do is I have my paper and I'm going to measure out 3/4 inch squares. So the grid itself on a photo is 1/4 inch, and then on my paper I do 3/4 inch. So I just go all the way across, all the way down, and then I make my grid. Then I measure out my boxes, and then I make it the outline darker, so this way I know this is the space I need to do. Alright, so remember it's 16 across, so it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here. And here. And then we're going to do 20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, so here and here. And here. Here, here. Okay. Okay. So our outline is going to be in here. This we don't need. Okay, so how I start. So I figure out where I want to start. So I'm probably going to start at the top of the cap here. So I know it's 1, 2 down. And then from left to right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here to here. All right, so now how I know where to start in the square is I typically look where midway is. Okay, midway is here. So where is this starting between midway and here? A little before 1/4. So it's probably around here. And then here it's closer to the bottom, less than 1/4. So 1/4 is probably here. So I put it down over here. I know pretty much right in the middle is going to be that button. Now the stitching here looks like it's right in the middle of the square. So the middle's about here, and it's going up to here. All right, then I just continue. Sometimes I use my finger to follow it. Right, so here it's going pretty much right into the corner, just where I have that. Then here's halfway. So his nose is about halfway. So it's quarters here, so it's about an eighth. There, quarter, eighth. All right. And sometimes I have to look at it. Sometimes I have to move the grid a little bit so I can see exactly where it's going. Let's see, so we'll come in here. I want to make sure I got the right distance, so what I'll do is, where it's starting here, this inside liner of the jacket, so it's, I'll forget about this one, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 before the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here's the point. Now, if you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comments, and I'll answer all the questions that come out. All right. Now this could get a little confusing, so when we do this area, we're going to take our time as far as the shading goes. Right, so this is just the outline, so remember, you don't have to be perfect right now. Notice the circle's a little wonky. So in our next video, we're going to start the shading. I'll go over some tricks, things I do, what tools I use. Should be a good video. I'm excited for this one. See you next video.